Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade to premium on the TickTick application, thereby being able to unlock several features that are only available to premium users. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on settings and click on upgrade to premium. As you can see, you have two options down below, such as the monthly and the 7-day free trial option. So here you can see what does the premium pack contains, such as monthly calendar view, timeline calendar view, calendar subscription, calendar widgets, filters, and so on. So click on the relevant one that you want to purchase, and then you will be able to have access to several useful functions and features on the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.